Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. A B C. A for aeroplane. B for bicycle. C for car. C for car. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn how to alphabet drawing. Let's start with color. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. B is for bicycle. B is for bat. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. C is for car. Now I am drawing aeroplane. A is for aeroplane. I am drawing a aeroplane now. I am drawing bicycle now. B is for bicycle. B is for bicycle. B is for bicycle. Now I am drawing car. C is for car.